Okay, I welcome you to this blueprint. That is Amazon KDP Automated Income Generator. So congratulations again, you having this course, and that shows that you have actually, took a step to actually getting to skyrocket your business, or maybe you want to set up a profitable business online, but all the same, you will still stay profitable in the long run if you decide to take this business model serious. So without saying much, let's proceed with what we have in this section, which is introduction. And what we have below, we have what is Amazon KDP, and which is what we'll be looking into, what you should know, common mistakes you could do to get your account terminated, which is very important as well, staying safe on Amazon KDP, introduction to your KDP dashboard, installation on browser, extension and other necessary apps. So let's start with the first one, because most people still don't understand what Amazon KDP is all about. So let's get with that first one. Now, talking about what Amazon KDP is, Amazon Direct Publishing is a book publishing company that is owned by Amazon, and whereas Amazon is owned by Jeff Bezos, and this Jeff Bezos is also an executive chairman of Amazon. That is what most people don't know, but I believe by now you have also get to know more about it. Also, it can be utilized to self-publish books on the Amazon Kindle platform, which readers can buy as an ebook or physical books. Self-publishing on Amazon KDP is 100% free of charge with Amazon KDP. You can publish any sort of book on Amazon and start getting paid in dollars. However, in this course, we'll be showing you how to do that better. Of course, now you know what Amazon KDPs are about, and we shall also be going in depth of what this business model entails and see how you can also implement whatever you are going to learn from this course. And I believe by now you must have also understand what Amazon KDPs are about. You can still take notes for you to better understand. So now let's move to the next slide. Now, this is what you should know. You should know that you need to be committed to learning, and as yourself too. Because one thing you need to understand in this business model, if you don't learn, then you are lacking behind. You need to keep on learning and as well implementing for you to actually implement what you learn in order for you to stay profitable. You can't just expect to sit back without learning and you want money to come to you. You also need to be patient and avoid any form of competition, because I have seen so many people fall victim of this. They lack patience and they always compete with their opponents. They always compete with someone they should be learning from. You shouldn't be doing that, but rather you should find a way to learn from them and as well stay patient as your own result comes. Amazon KDP is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You should know this better. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So many people have come in with this mentality that is something that they will have to invest money, and in less than a day or be it a week, they must have started earning from that particular business model. It is not done that way. It is not also a Ponzi scheme. You also need to know that it's not a business model where you have to invest a sum or maybe an amount of money for you to get double of it. It is not done that way. So you have to avoid that mentality. You also need to stay motivated and consistent, because in all you do, you always have to do it every time. You can't just publish one book and sit back and expect it to make thousands of dollars for you. It's not done that way. You have to keep on publishing books, and even as you're publishing, you should ensure you publish quality books, not just quantity, because quality matters over quantity. You have to stay consistent in what you are doing. At the long run, you will also stay profitable. Your book might not sell when you publish the first one. It might not also sell when you publish the second one, but likely it may sell on the third one. Do you get my point? So you must understand that it doesn't mean that if you publish one book that book will bring in more dollars for you, but rather you have to stay consistent in doing the right thing and also stay motivated. Ensure you stay motivated, because sometimes some people lose motivation when they also must have published about 2 or 3 books. So try not to go behind, or maybe try not to feel that you are not trying. You have to keep on trying your best for you to get it right. Avoid greediness. So many people have this mentality as well. They are so greedy enough that they can't even actually estimate what they want. They will start telling you that this person is earning this, how am I earning this little amount of money? They don't appreciate. So you have to avoid this greediness mentality. So I believe you understand this. If you still don't understand, you can rewatch this video for you to better understand and stick to it. Another thing you need to understand is that you need to ensure you join the support group. It's very important. You should also ensure that you watch this video before you come to the support group to ask any question. So ensure you do so for you to better know what you are doing. Not just coming to the support group to ask unnecessary question or what this video has already answered. Ask question where necessary. It's very important you ask question, because if you feel that you know it all, you may likely end up with mistakes. Also, set goals for yourself. Think long term. It's very important. Set goals for you. Tell how much you want to achieve in a month, or be it in 2 months. It's very important you set goals for yourself. I even feel that setting goals for yourself will even put you ahead of achieving what you want, even if you are not going to fulfill those goals, but you'll be happy that you tried. Take note as you learn. It's very important. As a learner, you should always have a note that you put in what you have learned, so you can easily implement them. It's very, very important. Be it in any business you are doing, you always need a note, or be it any classes you are undergoing, you always need a note. So always take notes, so you won't have to come back to these videos to rewatch them over and over again. Take your time and watch these videos the way I arrange it. Don't skip any video. Always ensure that you watch those videos. Don't skip it. Using every other person's result doesn't mean that they just get to achieve it in one day. They equally learn, and that is why they were able to implement in order for them to get those results. Do not skip any video. Watch it as you see it, and make sure you implement it as well. Now, the next video explains common mistakes you could do to get your account terminated. That should be in the next video, so ensure you watch those videos. And I believe that you understand this video very clearly. If you don't, rewatch it and also try to implement whatever I have said so far. Take note as well, and goodbye for now.